What aloe vera does to your body. Aloe vera has an annual market value of $13 billion globally. The reason why it has such a high market value is that it is widely used in the cosmetic, pharmaceutical, and food industries. Ancient origins state that the Egyptians called aloe vera the plant of immortality. They add that the drawings of the plant aloe have been found inscribed on tombs of pharaohs. Ancient origins also state that aloe vera is 95% water, and for millennia, it has been used to treat more than 50 medical conditions, including burns, obesity, asthma, acne, and diabetes. Before we begin this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more daily tips like this, and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Now, let's analyze the properties that aloe vera contains and how they are beneficial to your body. Contains antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Aloe vera contains powerful antioxidants which belong to the big family of a substance called polyphenols. These polyphenols and other compounds found in aloe vera have the ability to prevent the growth of certain bacteria that cause infections in humans. Heals burns quickly. When you're out tanning in the sun and you get a burn, what is the first thing you turn to? It's aloe vera. Aloe vera was first approved by the FDA in 1959 as an over-the-counter medication to heal burns. An article found in the journal Burns touched base on 4 studies that were conducted that included 371 patients. Based on meta-analysis using the measure of how long it took a burn to heal from aloe vera, researchers found that aloe vera took 8.79 fewer days to heal a burn compared to the control group. However, this is not to say if you suffer from first and second degree burns to only apply aloe vera. If this is the case, you should go see a doctor. Reduces dental plaque. A study wanted to prove that aloe vera was a beneficial treatment to combat oral diseases. So researchers did a mouth rinse study of 300 healthy people, and 100% aloe vera juice was compared to the mouthwash ingredients chlorhexidine. The results of the study showed that aloe vera was equally as effective in reducing plaque as chlorhexidine was after 4 days. Treat canker sores. At some point in their lives, everyone has experienced a canker sore or mouth ulcer. They are annoying and can really hinder your ability to enjoy eating. But recent studies have shown that aloe vera can help accelerate the healing process. A study was conducted on 40 patients who had minor oral aphthous lesions. They applied the aloe vera gel to the affected spots. They based their results on healing time, pain score, and lesion size. The results showed that the healing time, pain score, and wound size were significantly lower than the controlled group. Might prevent wrinkles and improve skin. There is evidence that suggests that aloe vera can slow down the aging of the skin. A study wanted to determine if dietary aloe vera gel has anti-aging properties on the skin. So researchers took 30 healthy female subjects who were over the age of 45 and gave them 2 doses of aloe vera to be used for 90 days. Researchers would base their results on facial wrinkles, and facial elasticity was measured. After 90 days, facial wrinkles and facial elasticity both improved on both the higher and lower groups. The bottom line: research and evidence prove that aloe vera has some unique therapeutic properties. This is especially true when it is applied to the skin and gums. You can purchase various aloe vera products at your local food stores and online, but I urge you to speak with your doctor before you decide to use aloe vera to treat your condition. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of Bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.